Today's date is given as 3rd May 2026, and if the date of birth lies on 7th September 1952, we have to find the exact age in year, month, and days. Always start with the day first. 3 minus 7 is minus 4, but days cannot take negative value. To resolve that, consider today's date. Subtract 1 from the month and add the corresponding number of days to the day. Here pay attention, should we add days from May? In that case we have to add 31 days, or from April, which has 30 days. Note it down, we'll take the days from the previous month, that means from April, because May has not ended yet. So add 30 days, and the new date is 3 plus 30, 33, 5 minus 1, 4. Make this the new today's date. 33 minus 7 is 26. Solve for month now. 4 minus 9 gives minus 5, and as we know, month also does not take negative value. Again, modify today's date. This time subtract 1 from the year and add corresponding 12 months to the month side. The new date again becomes 33, 16, 2025. Modify today's date to this. Now you can easily solve for month. 16 minus 9, 7. And if you solve for year, 2025 minus 1952, 73. Making exact age 73 years, 7 months and 26 days.